Hello everyone and welcome. Today, I will guide you through the process of filing for a dormant company using Easy Digital Filing. A dormant company is a registered entity that is not currently trading or earning income. Despite being dormant, all companies are required to submit annual accounts to Companies House. In this session, I'll walk you through the steps to file a dormant company. First, log into your account on our website. If you're new to Easy Digital Filing, you can easily create an account on our homepage. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Filings View section, where you can see your previous filings. Here, click on Add Filing to access the available filing templates. From there, select Company House Templates and select either Companies House Submission for Micro Limited Company or for Small Limited Company, depending on the size of your company. Then input your reporting period start date and click on to Create Filings. You will now see your company information. This first section indicates the type of filing you're completing. Make sure to uncheck the first option, as you won't be creating full accounts for a dormant company. Instead, check the Create Dormant Company Accounts box. This will ensure that dormant accounts are prepared rather than standard accounts. If your company has a previous financial year, enter the details by clicking on the arrow provided. If this is your first year after incorporation and reporting your first year as a dormant company, you can leave this section blank and instead complete the date of incorporation. As you are dormant and will have no employees, enter the number of employees as 0. If you had employees in your previous financial year, enter the number here. Now, on the left-hand side, click on the Balance Sheet section. If this is your first year as a dormant company, this section will appear blank. Otherwise, you will see your copy in your previous financial year's figures. For the year you are reporting on, if you have unpaid shares, place the amount in box 3. If paid, list it under the Current Assets section. Regardless of payment status, these figures should be included in the Capital and Reserves section. Then, head to the Balance Sheet Notes section on your left. For the principal activity, type Dormant Company, since that is the status you are filing under. Sign off the filing by entering the board approval date and your name. Click Save and Ready to File to complete this process. You will be redirected to the Filings View page, where you can click on Companies House Account Submission. Here, input your Companies House Authentication Code, which is a 6-digital code issued to each company, and click Ready to File. You can review your filings here. Now you will need to purchase the filings you have just created. Click the card icon, which will take you to the purchase page. Click on the Buy icon and enter your card details to complete the purchase and click Pay Now. When you are back on the Filings View page, click on Submit Result icon to submit your filing to Companies House. Click on Submit Filing. Now your filing has been submitted to the Companies House Digital Filing Service. This review normally takes less than 20 minutes, but allow up to 5 days to process. You can also download your filing artifacts here. Now, sit back and relax. If you are also required to file a CT600, please see our other videos on how to do this. You may need to do this if you have received a notice to file a corporation tax return from HMRC. As a dormant company, you will also need to file a confirmation statement to Companies House. You can check out how to do this in our other videos. If you encounter any issues or have any questions, feel free to contact us via our customer service chat, submit an inquiry form, or give us a call. That's everything. Thank you for choosing Easy Digital Filing.